Number 1. How many cartons of orange juice are there?
There are 2 cartons of orange juice.
Finish your sentence.
There are 2 cartons of orange juice. There are
Finish your sentence. Do you know my meaning now? Yes. Finish your sentence.
There are 2 cartons of juice. Are there?
Yes, I want like this. Okay. Because this is a test. Number 2. Watch this picture and then make a sentence.
There are 3 cups of tea. Are there?
Good job. Number 3. How much salad is there?
There is a little salad. Is there?
Yes. Number 4. How many grapes are there?
There are a lot of grapes. Are there?
Good job. Number 5. Is there a lot of chicken?
No, there isn't.
Very good. Can you please
At the museum, do you have sleepovers and stay at your friend's house all night? Imagine having a joint sleepover.
One more time.
Imagine
No, here.
a giant sleepover.
Yes.
Giant sleepover at the museum. It's called the Big Night. The program starts at 6:30 in the evening and finishes at 10 o'clock in the morning. Bring a comfortable sleeping bag and a flashlight. The museum is dark at night, but it's not scary. It's fun to sleep there.
Thank you. Very good.